Hello guys, welcome to Ting Pong Crate, and today I am doing a bathroom remodeling, and what a tough project it is. But the one project I am doing, I'm tackling along right now at this moment is baseboard. I want to be able to save the baseboard so that I can reuse it again without buying a new one. And I have tough time removing baseboard without ruining the actual baseboard wood. Alright guys, so this is the molding removing toolkit here, and the brand name is Goldblatt, and I got this from Amazon for $28. And if you go in the website right now, they do have a 10% discount for it. So click on that. And so all the tools I'm using today, I will go ahead and leave a link for you guys. And all you got to do is, if you want to purchase it, you just go click and you purchase, and you are going to use the same tools I'm going to use. And so you would like this tool a lot. Believe me, you will. When you receive the package from the Amazon, this is the box you will get. And then when you open this, you get a tool like this. This tool is like so awesome. It has a rubber grip on it, and it's a heavily built stainless steel on that. Well, I'm not sure if it really is stainless steel, but I know this is a metal, and it's quite thick. I don't know if you can see that how thick it is, but it has like a pry. So when you shove it in to the baseboard, and all you gotta do is you just kind of tilt like this. Yeah. So that is just a tool that I was looking for, and I finally found it in Amazon, and I want to try out today for it. And so let's jump in. Alright guys, so the tools you will need is obviously the molding remover tool, this one. You're going to need a hammer, and you're going to need a very, very sharp knife to cut along the edge, stuff like that. So you're going to need the three things for it at this very, very moment to attack this project. And it's a very good idea to be able to save this baseboard, because I don't know if you guys been to Home Depot or Lowe's or any other lumber yard. They sell this thing for somewhere around $13, $14. Somewhere I even seen it for much higher. And then when you add up by the feet, about how long you need, the price of this thing goes like this, goes up. So what I'm trying to do with this one is I'm trying to save this so that my remodeling for the bathroom doesn't go skyrocket on that. And that's the whole purpose of it. So I want to be able to save this and salvage them, and I can reuse them. And who cares if it's got the little markings and things like that, imperfection, because after we take it out, I'm trying to make it as a imperfection to a perfect looking baseboard piece for it. And so I can recondition this so that you look like a brand new again. So that's the whole purpose of it. So let me go ahead and use this sharp knife. And basically what you want to do is you want to make it a scar all the way like this, so that you are separating between from the sheetrock and the baseboard, and there's a paint and whatever goo or caulking that it's been added onto it. You want to be able to separate them so you don't ruin the sheetrock, the covering for it, and the baseboard when you're taking it apart, because you want to be able to take it apart as smooth as possible. And same thing is right here. I'm not be able to save this vinyl sheets for it, because it's going to be thrown away. So only thing I care is just making a scar from here and here. So let's go ahead and do this, making a scar, and I'm just going to press right against it, and I'm just taking my time, because I'm not in marathon at all. And so I'm just taking my old sweet time and trying to make this a scar right here, a nice clean cut like this. I noticed there's like some kind of caulking residues here. I'm going to try to level it as much as I can. Plop it in. And then I am going to insert like this and angle for a little bit. And then go in, and then I'm just going to tap this thing. Okay, here comes the magic moment. This has been inserted, and all I have to do is just lift this thing like this, lift it up, and it should be able to release it. And then you just kind of move it like this. So let me go ahead and do a fast forward for you guys. So guys, let me go ahead and zero in and show to you what these baseboards look like after removing the baseboard molding here. And look at that. It came out really great. Did not damage the sheetrock wall at all, and no cosmetic damage to the the wall to it, and the molding. And I have to show to you molding in just a sec, but I was impressed how well it came out, and the molding removal tool helped a lot and saved my time. All right guys, so let me show to you this molding right here, and this the one molding we took it off. And yes, it's got nails and things like that, but that's okay. I can eliminate this. But the reason I wanted to keep this because this is actual wood. And nowadays, with the baseboard, they don't really come out actual wood. If you want the actual wood for it, you gotta pay some money for it. And so in this house here, most of the baseboard is made out of wood here, not the faux, like FAUX type of material on that. And so because of this, I wanted to be able to salvage as much as I can. And in order for me to salvage this, I can eliminate this, and I can sand it down and make it into really smooth. And I can just insert it back in and reuse it again and just paint. And this thing is like a good as new. Trust me, this is a good way to save money and doing your DIY to remove this molding and be able to salvage it, all due to helping with this molding base remover tool. This is something you need to get because it is a time saver for you. Actually, I am doing a whole house of remodeling. And so having this tool right here would help me a lot to save time and break my back and not break my back, save my back and all that stuff, because this tool will help a lot. And so really it doesn't cost a whole lot of money in Amazon, and it's really durable, and it does have like a spring reaction to it, so it goes right back to the original position for it. And the durability is very tough. It's all metal construction. And I did tap it, and this sucker just went plop, 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 like a butter. So highly recommended. Get this at Amazon because it's going to save you removing base molding. Even if you don't want to save this, but you need to remove the baseboard, oh yeah, this tool will do it. Guys, thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, I'll see you later. Okay, bye.